Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get a private server and Steal A Brainrot, of course, here in Roblox. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up roblox.com or the Roblox application. Now, in here, what we'll do is just go out and find the game, which is, of course, Steal A Brainrot. Okay, so just click on it, wait for it to load, and make sure to select the official Steal A Brainrot game. All right, this one. So just click on it. You could do this one on any other games as well. So basically scroll all the way down, okay, and you will find servers. Click on it. Wait for it to load. And in here, as you can see, we have number of players. So what we'll do is just click on the drop down and make sure that it is set to ascending. And in here, as you can see, there are these servers that only got 1 of 8 people. Okay, so if you don't want to spend money, you can go ahead and click on join right here. If they're AFK, wait for them to go online, ask them if they want to play with you, or you can go ahead and choose to join right here and then invite your friends. Sometimes you might be lucky. Okay, you'll be able to find servers right here that got 0 of 1. So just go ahead and spam join and enjoy. And again, for just 79 Robux, you can go ahead and enjoy your own private server. You just click on create private server right here and spend 79 Robux. And that is it. But this is basically the free way or the easiest way to get a private server here and Steal A Brainrot. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.